Night, sweetie. You about ready to wake up, buddy? Yeah. Okay. Cinnabon, are you ready for some food, buddy? Okay. I'm using the light feature for video. That's why he looks very scary right now. You're a spooky kitty, huh? You're a spooky kitty. All right. We'll get you some breakfast, okay? Would you like some wet food, buddy? Let's go get them for you. Let's go get them. I think that's what he's been wanting for a while. Okay. There, I can see you better. Good morning, sweetheart. Yeah, let's go get some wet food. Oh, I got a vacuum all the junk on the ground. Yeah. Okay, mister. Okay, I found one. This morning, I have for you gourmet salmon entree. Yeah, I'll go ahead and open it for you, okay? Go ahead and open it for you. Here you go, little boo-boo head. Yummy, yummy, yummy. Oh, watch your head. Don't want to get you. There. You enjoy that, mister.